Let's unbox this food dehydrator. I have been waiting for this and I'm so excited. Alright, so here she is right out of the box. This one has 8 trays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trays. They're stackable. You can use 8 or you could use less than 8 if you only had maybe 2 or 3 racks of food that you wanted to put in at one time. You could remove 5 of them or however many you wanted. See, you can just remove however many that you weren't using at the time, which is nice. So here are instructions that were tucked away inside the lid. And I like that they had it pretty well covered so that it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. So you can just take off all the plastic. And that's pretty much all the parts and pieces that came in the box. We will go ahead and plug it up to see what it looks like.